We're here at Southern Manufacturing and we are joining Richard Bailey on the Sodick stand. Richard, you've had an amazing last year, and it sounds to me like the first few days of January, you've already done well for the first half.
Yes, yeah. Following on the back of last year, we had so many new customers, new orders, repeat orders, and we've kicked off exactly the same this year. It's been the best January we've ever had. And leading into February, being here at Southern, what an opportunity to get to see our customers.
Yeah, you brought this down to Southern so that you can actually reach them as well. And there's a lot more behind what's going on with Sodick, not just this amazing brand.
Yes. So we've come to the Southern show so we can be here for our existing customers, we can talk to potential new customers about machines, investments, but we can show support to some of our customers. We've even had a guy on the stand this morning talking about his next training programme. So, you know, Sodick brand is here to be supporting all the customers out there and to be working with them, new and existing projects.
Yeah. This is a big exhibition year for you.
Yeah, it's huge. We've got, obviously, we're here at Southern, we've got the MACH exhibition coming up, we've got Interplas, and we've also got around the world globally, there's Dusseldorf, there's Jimtoff. So the whole Sodick brand is going to be very visible throughout this year.
Yeah. And not just, I mean, at the MACH show, I believe that you'll be having the machines there as well.
Yes. We chose not to bring the machine here because it was more about being face-to-face with our customer base. But at MACH, there's going to be all sorts of things on show. We're going to have a new milling machine, very new applications, turn and burn on our wire cut machines. So there's going to be lots of things for people to see. And we can talk to them about all their project-specific needs. So the whole team will be at MACH, not just myself and the sales team, but our service guys, our apps guys, and some of our backroom staff, so people can get to meet everybody behind the Sodick brand.
That's so important. I just think that's great that you bring that to the show.
Yeah.
And you are growing. You've got some new partnerships coming through. Bedra Wire is one you've been mentioning.
Yes, this is a really exciting partnership for us this year. So we're working closely with Bedra to develop their wires, our machine technology, and we can offer that to our customers. And it's going to make, you know, headway with different machining applications, different test cut reports and different samples of wire. So people can come to us and say, we need to improve this, and we'll work on that project, and we're achieving things. So yeah, really good partnerships.